Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into RAR and zip archives on OPPO Reno5 Z. So in order to do this, let's open the RAR app. We've shown you how to download it in our other video. Now find the files that you want to pack. I have 3 of them right here. Then click on this plus button to enter archiving options. Here you can change any of the options like the extension for the file, name, you can set up the password, and there's many other settings right here. You can also leave any comment or description about this archive. So here I'm just gonna change the name, as it's not necessary to go for any of these settings right here. Click OK to save that. Then the RAR file will be created. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.